Yo, this is Best coming with another DIY on auto mechanics. Right now, I'm doing every Landrover, and this oil change. So far, I took out the nut for the oil pan, which is located right here. It's still leaking, as you can see, and I took out the oil filter, which is right up inside of there. All right. I got a nice big oil pan and it was very messy, as you can see. So please try to control it a little better than me. Alright. So I got a 50 millimeter, right, for the bolt on the oil pan. And I also got 10 millimeter. The 10 millimeter takes off that cover right there that shields everything right here. Alright, so I'm just gonna put the filter back on. So I'm just gonna shift this oil pan a little bit. Yeah, it's still dripping. I'm just gonna squeeze this filter through here and screw it in like a light bulb. Come on, get in there. Alright, just gonna spin it on, and once it gets tight, so it's pretty tight, just gonna give it like a quarter to a half a turn. Engine is still hot. Alright, next I'm gonna put in the bolt. I'll put that back in. Alright, just gonna tighten this up. Righty tighty. Not too tight, but tight. That should do it. Alright, so that is all buttoned up. Time to put the